Okay, so I got my packages in finally, yeah. So this is going to be a bunch of stuff, actually, a couple of pieces for the camera. This is all parts for the camera. So we're going to go with this package here first. Let's get that one open. I'm just kidding. Alright, let's see what we got here. Air stuff, yay! Ooh, what's this? It's a thing. This is an adapter. It's a ring adapter. Oh, I know what this is. This is a 49mm to 52 or 53 adapter. So this changes the camera, I believe, to a macro lens. It uses the standard kit, 49mm kit, which is, I think, a 15-45mm lens that comes with the Canon EOS M50. This turns it into a macro lens. So it's a Pro Series 43 times high definition AF wide angle lens. So it's a macro lens. So let's put it on and see what happens. Okay, so you should actually be able to see me now. So that's cool. That's a good one. I like that one a lot. We'll just finish the rest of the video because I knew that was coming with the adapter. Wide angle. Yeah. All right, let's open this one. This one came from eBay. So tape. Now see, this is a proper bubble wrap job. Just want to admire the bubble wrap burrito. Bubble wrap item together like this. I mean, I could play basketball with this thing. All right, let's get it open real quick. Yay! I believe this is a really nice microphone. So I need to go buy a 9mm battery, I believe. Boom. Right on. Nice microphone to go with the Canon M50. So we'll get that installed later on. And let's see what else we got here. I believe I've got another part coming in the mail. It's I got a cage coming for the Canon, and unfortunately it's not here yet. Won't be here till tomorrow, so we'll finish the rest of this video tomorrow. But let's see what we got here. Sweet, it's a 49mm variable ND2 to 400 filter. Nice. And is it there? Oh, this is the handle for the SmallRigs. Yeah, I'll tell you what, we'll open this up when the other one comes in. We'll let you check that out when I get the cage in. There we go. That'll get us going for a while. Yay! Really excited about this. Gotta go get a 9mm battery. Okay, so I changed my camera angle so we can actually check this out. Finally came in today, so this is the second day. And we'll get all the components here together in a minute, but we're gonna open this up. Pretty excited about this. It's gonna look really good. Alright, let's go now and ahead. SmallRig cage for Canon EOS M50 and M5. That must be the hardware. So let's take a look at the handle first. Ooh, I love that. I like the fact that there's quarter mount all the way up and down this. And it seems like a pretty decent little handle to hold on to as well. Alright, here's the cage. That's it right there. Man, that looks really sharp. I love that. I already just really like this. So this is a magnetic holder. And one thing I did like about this particular cage was there's so much room over here to get your battery in and out. And that's a big deal, especially when you're trying to get everything, you know, take your SD card and all that stuff out. But it's going to give, it already feels, you can already feel like it's going to give more feel to the camera itself. Sweet, like that. All right, let's get this open. It's the rest of the SmallRig that we got yesterday. And this is a handle over here, actually. So let's get this open. Attachments right there. Here's the handle. There we go. That looks so good. You can already just a really nice grip. Just a good looking handle. The wood grain. You can see it for yourself. It's amazing. And another hot shoe mount, which is cool because there's going to be several things. And of course, there's a hot shoe mount on top. So it's just multiple options for hot shoe mount. So sweet. Okay, let's get started on getting this cage and everything built. It's going to be really amazing. So here we go. Okay, so the rig is fully set up, ready to go. Looks really good. The SmallRig cage and the SmallRig handle and everything seems to be perfect. This IO10 L2 RGB video light really makes a difference, and this Rode video mic has the 80 Hertz connection. Powered up right now, fantastic. And of course this macro lens Pro Series adapter for the high definition wide angle, huge difference. This whole setup is actually a really nice build. It works really well and I'm very excited about it. As you can see, the video quality is fantastic, and the fact that I can adjust and move these out of the way just a little bit if I need to, get it out of my face, make it reflect off of walls, things like that, huge bonus. And of course, you know, the special effects, everything. If I wanted to do the blue light, fantastic blue light and everything, so good. One of the nice features is I can hold it. I can sit and view my monitor while I'm holding it, like this. This actually adds some stability. One thing I am a little bummed out about though is the right here where they connect. It only takes one screw, the other screw doesn't line up. So I'm gonna play with that and see where I go. I might end up dropping it down to the lower one. We'll see how it goes. Another thing I noticed is the cage top, the top handle right here. I had to do some adjustments to slide this cage over just a little bit more so it'll fit the actual Rode tightener for the hot shoe mount. It was kind of really tight. But overall, pretty impressive cage, pretty impressive camera setup, and I'm hoping to do a lot of really cool videos with this. So awesome, super excited, and let's get some videos going. I think we can make some fun stuff. This is Flip Masters. We'll see you all in the next episode. Hopefully some good video.